Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there this evening? I am back, guys, on behalf of Instant Cash Solutions. Kind of just wanted to follow up with some other points I wasn't able to make last night when I came out with the program Instant Cash Solutions. But first and foremost, if you landed here, it's because you're searching online right now a way to make money online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, that's how you ended up here, okay? And that's great. I'm glad to have you here. I want to first get you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. You will be notified, okay? So, glad to have you here, guys. I am a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you ways that you can make money online with a home-based business, okay? And Instant Cash Solution is one of those great programs, okay? So, it has 4 levels to it. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to some of my notes I want to go through real quickly so we can do some other things, okay? Instant Cash Solutions is it has 4 levels of income. And basically what this is, guys, actually it's a classified ads course, okay? It teaches you how to place classified ads, okay? And you're able to copy and paste these ads into Craigslist and various places. We show you where you can place those ads, but it is designed around Craigslist, okay? A classified ads training course, okay? It just happens to have 4 levels: the $100 level, $200 level, $300, and the $500 level, okay? All levels have an admin fee of $29 except the $500 level. The $500 level has a $79 admin fee. And these are one-time payments, okay? So, however, you can upgrade at any point in time you choose to do so, okay? But what you would have to do is pay the full amount of that level. Excuse me. For example, okay, if you're at the $100 level and you decide to go to the $200 level, you would pay the whole $200, okay? But you've already paid, if you came in at the 100, you've already paid the $29 once. You won't have to pay the $29 admin again, okay? Won't have to. Once you upgrade in between these, you don't have to pay the $29 but one time. Then when you go to the 500, you would pay the 500 plus the $79, okay? But if you do not own those levels, those sales will pass up. For instance, if you come in at the $100 level and you sign up someone that wants to come in at the $200, $300, or the $500 level, you have not purchased that level, that sale will pass up to your sponsor, okay? So you want to come in at the highest level possible, okay? Come in where you're comfortable, but just know the higher level is the place to be. Now, my website is postingforprofits.ws. Go ahead and get started with me in that, and I've got some great bonuses for you. And of course, for the person or people, the people that come in at the $500 level, I have something very, very, very special for you. But for everybody else that come in at all the other levels, I am going to place your first ad for you, okay? And I have various resources, okay, that I have access to help you with this. Even though there's a lot of stuff in your back office, I have some things that I've learned along the way, okay? So I'm going to just give you some brief ways that I'm using the system. I'm placing ads, of course, and in my ads I'm using the display images that they give you in the back office. I'm using an 800 link, which you can go out there and get, and we have a recorded message that goes along with that. I'm using SMS Phone Leads, okay? I'm going to put the link below for that. I'm with the auto reply text feature, okay? That SMS Phone Leads is only $20, okay? So I'm using that. I'm using the text message marketing method. I'm using solo ads, and of course you're watching me as I do a video. So of course video marketing and social media, guys, is free, okay? So feel free to use that. Now, in January, or the first quarter, let's go with first quarter, let's say first quarter, okay? The first quarter, 2019, we're going to have postcard marketing. We, on one of the training calls that I attended, they showed the postcard. Okay, so it looks awesome. I've been in postcard marketing since 2013. Okay, so I know very well about postcard marketing. So when I saw those postcards, I was very excited. You're going to love that. For some of you that want to do that method, it's going to be great. It's going to be great, let me tell you. Okay, so you're going to love that. So those are the first 4. I'm definitely doing those, and I'll be happy to show you the ways that I'm doing some of these ads, how I'm placing the ads and how I'm using these methods. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to the back office because I want to show you some other valuable content that's there. Okay, check this out. Hold on one second here. Okay, so some more value for you. In your back office, in the members area, in the download section, look at this information, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Lots and lots and lots of value you're getting over here, okay? We also have the Craigslist cost over here, okay? It's in the other program that I'm a part of too, but I did discover, okay, hold on. There we go. We have it over here as well. So it breaks down the cost for all the cities and states for Craigslist, okay? But here's all the information, how to post ads, display ads for Facebook, okay? All this training, guys, that you get, a plethora of training that's back here, okay? So it's unlimited of what the content that you're going to receive here with Instant Cash Solutions, okay? So just want to show you that. And let's flip over. Let's show you some of the capture pages too. Hang on here. So we've got 5 capture pages back here in the back office that you can select from. And again, the autoresponder is included, okay, with this system. Okay, everything is built in. It's all in one system. Of course, you can connect Aweber with it as well. But to get started, you can just use this system to capture all your leads. You can also, one of my most favorite things to do is to email my list. Once you get started back here, guys, okay, as you can see, I am at the platinum level. Once you get started and people start opting in, you're building your list and you're getting leads of people looking at the offer. The system, of course, is going to email them on your behalf. But you can click right here, the broadcast button, and you can actually email your leads every day, personally, okay? So it's nice to be able to get something from you personally, okay? And you can do that right here, as well as one by one. You can click View Contacts, and each person you can email. Like if I saw a person that opted in today, I can individually email them as well. But there is a broadcast button, and you can do that on a daily basis, okay? So this is awesome. We've got some banners. I'm going to show you that too. Okay, so in your back office, okay, you can click in the members area, and we've got banners back here, okay? And there's places that you can go and copy this information right here, this verbiage, and you can paste these banners in places that allow banner advertising, and I can show you some of those, okay? So it's a plethora, when I tell you a plethora of content and value in this particular program. I'm super excited about it, and I'm glad to bring it to you guys because I try to give you value, okay, in these programs, and that's why I joined them. I'm always a part of it. I don't just promote a program to you. I'm actually in it myself. I've invested in it. I've made sales in it, okay, and I show you how you can do the same, okay. And then let me show you another commission came through this morning, a bronze member, which is the $100 level. So let's see if we can get over to the back office and show you that as well. Okay, as you can see right there, another sale. So $100 have come in today as well. So like I said, I just got really started with this, so we've got $600 already been made within the last 2 days on this in this program. Okay, so definitely want to get started with me in this program. Okay, and so we can show you how to do the same, guys. And as a bonus, I'm gonna share with you 100 places where you can place your ads, okay? And then some other places that I located where you can spend as low as $4 or $5. Not Craigslist, but somewhere else where you can spend $4 or $5 on ads that convert, okay? So with that being said, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I'm going to put the link below for Instant Cash Solution. Go ahead and join me. It's your first ad. Doesn't matter what level you come in. $500 level. I've got a special bonus for you, so reach out to me on that. And then everybody's going to get the 100 places, okay, where you can post ads, okay? I'm going to give that to you as well. So look forward to working with you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? And then go ahead and video. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside, okay? You guys have a blessed day.